Ooh, very nice. Alright, so this is the Xtoyz Blaster Soft Projectile Launcher. This is when it's all put together. You can also get attachments on this. Xtoyz is huge about accessories, so you can add on accessories and build out completely new guns. Now this is the Soft Projectile Launcher. We also have this one. This is the transformation gun. This one's more like a bazooka type mechanism, right? It kind of, as you shoot, it kind of rotates and the projectiles come out. This one, same thing. You can cross swap different accessories. For example, this we can go and put on, I believe, different parts. For example, this one and this one. So you press this down and then that comes up, and then I can go and put this one over here. Right, so that is a pretty neat feature of this company. If you have Nerf guns like Strife, for example, you can also use the scope and some of the accessories on these grips and it will work. Getting back to the blaster, at least this one has a sight on it, right? It's pretty accurate. Both of these, this one and this one, operate on 4 AA batteries. As you can see right here, there's the spots for the 4. And then this one's got a screwdriver and you take this bit off and then you plug in the 4, which I already did. Now to start this off, you press this. This is your power button, you see, and then the motor starts spinning and then you just go. And then that basically goes and starts pumping out this magazine. They actually gave you 30. So this, just load it same way you would load any gun. All right, so they're all fitting in nicely. When it comes to jamming, every gun is going to get jammed, honestly. This is your jam compartment, so if it jams, you can go and fish out your projectiles. You've loaded up the bullets in here, plug it in. The release for the magazine is here. All right, and these accessories snap on. You can buy more accessories from Xtoyz, and you can got different guns. This is the other one. This is the other gun, works very similar. Here's where if it jams, like that one for example, you can see that it jammed in there. You can fish them out. But let's get back to this one. Now, it's pretty powerful when it fires, and the accuracy is quite good. So let's open this up and see how it actually powers. So we're just gonna go shoot and see if we can actually shoot at something. So let's go and grab, for example, right there we've got a target, those gloves. So I'm gonna just through the sight. Wow, what a toy. Definitely works great. We are gonna try other bullets. So these are from a Nerf gun. They have pointed tips. And then these are from another one. So we're gonna go and just try to see if these are actually gonna work. So we're gonna put these in our magazine. All right, and it's lined up pretty good. And let's see if ooh, very nice. Very nice. So other darts work with this gun as well. It looks really cool. It definitely looks like a toy, which is important. You could always paint this to make it more camo, realistic looking if that's your thing. But anyways, Xtoyz Blaster, this is it. Works with all sorts of projectiles. Quite happy with it. I think this is the other one. So the magazine is a little different. You have to manually insert these. The batteries are not strong. This is going to jam quite often, so make sure that you have new batteries or rechargeable batteries if you're using rechargeables.